Ukrainian soldiers were still fighting fierce battles against Russian forces in and around various regions of Ukraine that are currently in conflict. Coming assault will probably put Ukraine to the test as it seeks to demonstrate that it can win the war, using the weapons it has obtained from the West after months of stalemate. Ukrainian forces keep pushing forward on the flanks, drawing ever closer to a tactical encirclement. Russia tried to claim to have captured an eastern city, but Ukrainian forces are making headway in the suburbs on its outskirts. However, as on the enemy's side, victory is essential for Russia at this time if they want their soldiers' morale to be high. After making initial progress in the first months of their full-scale invasion, Russian forces suffered a string of humiliating losses before an effective Ukrainian counteroffensive reclaimed large portions of the lost ground. Since the beginning of this year, Ukraine has received increasing amounts of Western financial and military support, leading to the signing of critical agreements with NATO nations that will see the supply of battle weapons, howitzer systems, missile systems, and ammunition for the entire 2023 counteroffensive.